close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, my name is Miss Lynn Rose and we are back again with a very interesting video kama kama kawaida, and praise God. So this particular day I had just come out from my workplace, and my mom had sent me to the supermarket to fetch a few things that we're gonna use for tomorrow. Then I head home. Actually, this video is all over the place, but here I'm in my workplace the next day. Actually, there is a colleague of ours who decided to buy us pizza. I had missed pizza so much, guys, and as you can see, I'm just enjoying myself over here. Yeah, it was so good of her. I had missed pizza for so long. So continuing with my day, guys, here I'm just at the triage. Here it's called the triage, where you measure your patient's vitals and you record them in the book and also in the computer. And in the computer there is a place that you record in the system. I know you guys know all about this. So right here I'm just at work doing what I love doing the most. So in every week or every day, our matron shifts us to specific places, especially where it's busy, so that we can learn more. Yeah, and my friend Brabgan Teresa is also at the nursing station. As if you want to see, you can check her YouTube channel at Brabgan Teresa. She also has a video of where she was working this particular day. So go to her channel and subscribe. So here I was just taking my last assignment as I head home. So when I get home, I just want to go and cook some pancakes, because guys, I was so hungry and I just wanted something that is quick, and what I could think of is only pancakes, and this is what I'm making. So please enjoy the video till the end, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and karibu sana to this family. For my all-time subscribers, thank you so much for always keeping it as Miss Lynn Rose. And also for my premium gang, I love you guys. You always support my content, and if you can, share me out to reach a wider range. And don't forget to comment to this video at the end of the video. I just decided to change this my beddings to something else. You know, they're dirty and they need to be washed. So that's what I'm doing here. But the renovation of this room, you're going to see it in my next video. It will be a continuation of this vlog. Please don't forget to come back and watch it. The next video will be up on Saturday at 12:30. And this one, actually I post my videos Tuesdays and Saturdays if I'm not busy, because most of the time I'm always at work. But anytime that I'm free, I upload my videos on Saturdays and on Tuesdays. On Tuesdays I upload at on Tuesdays I upload at 1 p.m. and on Saturdays I upload at 12:30 or sometimes at 1 p.m. It depends with my schedule. So at most you'll be seeing a lot of my room, because this is where I spend most of the time if I'm not at work. And we want to just these are clean clothes. They were washed. I'm just removing them. I want to fold those clothes and rearrange this room, because as I said, I want to renovate it. So actually you guys can also give me ideas of how I can arrange this room. But yeah, let's do some cleaning. After this, I want to go and burn that outside. Also, I want to wash my uniforms that I wore on Friday and prepare myself for tomorrow, because it's on a Sunday. But this vlog, I can see it's very long, so other parts will be on my other video. It will just be a continuation. So stick to Miss Lynn Rose till the end of this video. And if you've not yet liked this video, if you've not yet subscribed, and if you have not yet shared me out, guys, what are you waiting for? Can you imagine this bold, unapologetic baby girl, as Sean Arwa always say? Yeah, please don't forget, guys. Please just give me a thumbs up. It supports my channel and helps me grow.
As you fade away. Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
If there is one thing I hate in my life, is washing clothes. This is just it's not my thing, but I don't have a washing machine, so I have to wash it. But most of the time I pay someone to wash. But For the little clothes that I have, I always see no need of paying someone, so I just wash them for myself. And I also like washing shoes for myself because I just love how clean they turn out.
as you fade away.
Actually, with this economy, guys, there are things I need to budget about or budget. I think I'm just gonna sit down because now, like, um, businesses are not doing so good for most of us. So there are things I just want to cut down in my list, like paying someone to wash my clothes because I can do it for myself if I just leave this laziness. I just cancel this laziness in my life. Like, because I don't like washing clothes. That is not the reason as to why I can't wash for myself. So I want to cut that as a cost in my life, and I'll be washing my clothes on a daily, not like when I go to the bathroom I wash. So that is one thing that I just want to cancel completely because I can save some little cash over there.
Can't tell, like nothing I found. My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
It's my bundles. Like, I use a lot of bundles because we don't have any Wi-Fi. So I think I know where I'll just go to get someone who has Wi-Fi around, and anytime there is premiums and I am not at work, because at work we have Wi-Fi, I'll be going there, watch your videos, all my premium guys videos, and I think that will really help on saving some cash too, and other things that I just need to write down and just think about them. What do you do, guys, when your finances are so low and there are a lot of things that are not necessary in your life? I think we should just cut them off so that you can be financially free and live a stressless life. Like, I just feel like we should just live a simple life. Like, if something it's not a need, or do we say I want? Those things, they always confuse me. But if something is not important in your life, cut it off completely. I know that money can help you somewhere else, and I know a lot of people right now are in the bad states. Others have been they are jobless, and if you have some savings, you need to make good use of it. So without ranting, what I'm just saying, it's, let us just cut off things that are not adding value in our lives, or things that are not necessary. Like, yeah, just like that, and we'll see that we can save coins. Like, for me, we have a group that we save 50 bob daily. We are 7 in number. Yes, and we just save until December. Then after December, we now distribute the money to each person. Or if you want your money on January, you're given on January. So also that is something we are currently doing. I know people will be like, Sasa 50 bob, what will you help? But imagine 50 bob up to December, that's 18,000, sorry. It's better than 0 bob. It's better. Like, it can help you somewhere. Yeah. So that is what we are doing for now, and I think for me, chamas, I just can't. They're draining especially if you don't have any other place where you're sourcing your money. What do you think, guys? Tell me in the comment section what you think about this economy and the things that you need to cut off completely in your life.
Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in this hate. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder. We are more than numbers, standing in their way. Standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole. Coalesce beneath the ground. All done by my own hand. I allow my feelings to become sand. If you're gonna cut me down, better do it quickly now. Now you can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again. Oh yeah, my roots are strong.
So I'm almost done, and these clothes that I'm keeping aside are not yet dried up. And this one actually it's not clean, it wasn't washed clean, so I had to put it back to the laundry basket.
Say the word, say the word. Say the word, can rhyme. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay together from that better place. And I know you're healing, 'cause I know the feeling. The streets stop breathing. I don't wanna let you.
It's not that I don't have a wardrobe. Actually, there's a very big wardrobe here in my room, but for me, I prefer placing my clothes here where I'll just access it very fast because it's just beside my bed, and I will be accountable for them. At least when I see them that they are not arranged well, I can repeat. I can just arrange them well and seeing them neat just beside me, you know. So a big thank you for anyone who has watched this video until here. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Kindly don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, share me out, and comment down below. I really appreciate my premium gang, and may God bless you so much. We meet in our next video.
Reaching